Exactly how much does Amber Heard owe Johnny Depp after the verdict against her? How soon will she have to pay? And can she even afford it? Keep watching for what legal experts have to say. After a weeks-long court battle, a 7-member jury has officially decided that Amber Heard defamed Johnny Depp. While Heard won a small victory, the verdict largely fell in Depp's favor. On June 1, 2022, the jury found Heard liable for defaming Depp, her ex-husband, in the 2018 op-ed column she wrote for The Washington Post, in which she referred to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The jury came to the conclusion that 3 of the statements in the piece were defamatory. They awarded Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, totaling $15 million. Depp's attorney, Camille Vasquez, said following the trial,
"We are grateful, so grateful to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff."
But it wasn't just a payday for Depp. Heard also won $2 million in compensatory damages for her countersuit against the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. She claimed that her ex-husband had also defamed her on several occasions, but the jury found that he had done it only once, through one of his lawyers. Of the court's decision, Heard wrote on social media, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband." The money involved is far from the amount either party had been seeking. Depp sued for $50 million, while Heard countersued for $100 million. But legal experts say that no one will be paying anyone just yet. The headlines say that Depp has been awarded $15 million, but in all likelihood, Amber Heard doesn't have to cough up that full amount. Los Angeles criminal defense attorney Joshua Ritter, a partner with Worksman, Jackson & Quinn LLP, and a former Los Angeles County prosecutor, told Nicki Swift that the monetary elements of the verdict are much more complicated than what has initially been reported. He explained, "The jury awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. Virginia has a statutory limit on punitive damages at $350,000. If everything stands as is, Depp will get the $10 million in compensatory damages and $350,000 in punitive damages. But $2 million of that is going back to Amber Heard. I don't think anyone is writing checks anytime soon." Heard, who has an estimated net worth of about $8 million as of the making of this video, will have to pay Depp a figure in excess of $10 million, even though she'll also be getting $2 million of that back. Shelling out the money could be tricky, according to other legal experts, who are questioning Amber Heard's ability to pay the damages she owes. During the trial, the actor was probed about her inability to pay the $7 million she pledged to the ACLU and a children's hospital after her divorce from the Edward Scissorhands star. In testimony, she emphasized that she was not able to fulfill her pledge because Depp had filed suit against her. She said,
I made the pledge. I want to be very clear. I pledged the entirety. I haven't been able to fulfill those pledges because I've been sued.
But legal experts say that Depp can further probe into her financial capacity now that he's won his case. Duncan Levin, a former federal prosecutor in Manhattan, told the Daily Beast, "Whenever anyone claims an inability to pay a judgment, the prevailing party is entitled to broad discovery on that point. Here, that means that Depp, now that he has won, will be likely entitled to see financial records and even take depositions on her ability to pay." Another lawyer noted that Heard has years to pay the money she owes to Depp, noting that in Virginia, people have up to 30 years to collect their judgment. Former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani told the Daily Beast, "I don't think she can pay. She kept the $7 million because she had to pay for legal fees. The question is whether Johnny Depp is really going to enforce the judgment against his ex-wife." Ultimately, the trial was less about the money and more about retribution, according to the experts. Rahmani explained, "This whole trial is about more than money. It's about vindication and about setting the facts straight." Check out one of our newest videos right here. Plus, even more Nicki Swift videos about your favorite celebs are coming soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.